Um, Believe me when I say this, a lot of people are enemies of progress. A lot of people you think smile at you doesn't really want your progress. And that's why I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't share your YouTube link, or you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube video. You shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. Guys, it's oh my god. I am telling you this because I have experienced it. I see a lot of people talk about it, but I have experienced it personally. So I'm going to tell you about my personal experience, which I know you're going to love. Telling people about my YouTube channel was, I think, one of my biggest regrets when I started. I think I did that for a whole month and I regretted it. And I'm here to tell you, so you aren't going to do that. You aren't going to make that mistake. Don't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. Like, people just pretend to you to gain from you. But when it comes to supporting you, when it comes to doing things for you, they just take a step back. And I'm telling you, people that are actually close to you. I tell people in life, strangers are going to help you better. Okay, for me personally, I have family and friends. Honestly, I have family and friends who come through for me. Like when I upload a video, I have my family, I have my friends who go watch my video. But most of the time, friends especially, oh my God, they are not accountable. Like, you can't count on them. That's why I said I'm going to tell you my story. So when I started my channel, I was like, okay, I'm going to promote my channel, because if I don't, no one will. Brands, big brands such as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Nike, Adidas, Fenty Beauty, they pay brand ambassadors, they pay influencers because they want to promote their brand. And me, when I started my YouTube channel, I was like, okay, I want to promote my brand. So I went ahead, I started sharing my YouTube link, my YouTube channel link to people, to family, to friends, to group chats. I literally exhausted all platforms. I shared to my WhatsApp, I shared to my Instagram, I shared to my Facebook, I shared to people personally, group chats on Facebook, on WhatsApp. And what's happened? A lot of people didn't subscribe. Like, they're going to tell you, oh, I've subscribed, oh, I'm going to do it. And they don't. I'm like, why? This is for free. You aren't paying. It's not Netflix that you have to pay a subscription fee. You grab, guys. This is absolutely free. But some people won't do it because they feel, okay, when you make it, or when you get monetized, you're going to make money. I don't know what their thinking faculty is, because I feel it's very low. I'm very timid. And I was sharing the video. I did it like, I remember literally I was in everyone's DM. If I noticed you hadn't subscribed, even, do you know what happens, guys? I'm going to see my subscriber count as maybe 100, and I'll send someone the link, and the person will like, subscribed. And I go back and it's still 100. I'm like, you didn't do that. You understand? So why lie about it? What is so difficult? It's just like following someone on Instagram. What is so difficult in subscribing to someone's YouTube channel? So I feel they have another motive, they have a reason, which I don't care, I don't know. So for example, right now I'm going to show you a video I posted. And if if you go to your YouTube studio, go to your analytics, you're going to see the overall, how will I put it, the overall performance of a video. That's the word, the overall performance. And I went to most of my videos. This is what I want to show you over here. This is the number of my subscribers. Like, this is the ratio of people who watched my videos, my subscribers versus non-subscribers. And you can see the massive difference. Can you see it? It means even my subscribers are not even currently watching my videos. So why get bothered in sharing your YouTube channel link to people? Because they're going to subscribe and they aren't going to watch it. So what's the need? They're going to lie to you when they haven't. They're not going to watch your videos. So what is the need in sharing it? It's so unreasonable, because I feel the world is a small place, you should support each other. But a lot of people find it difficult because they don't want you to succeed. They don't want you to be better than them. And it's really, really very absurd. Believe you me, it's very, very absurd. Like, when I think about it, I can't comprehend. So, guys, don't share your YouTube link because people are very wicked, lack of a better word, wicked and inconsiderate and jealous. So you are better off promoting to strangers. You're better off just uploading videos and people are going to find you. Honestly, people are going to find you, okay? And I'll be going live on YouTube tonight. I'm going to be talking about my cancer story. So I want you to turn on your bell notification. I want you to join me on my live. I'll be going live 9 p.m. EST. So if you're in the US, 9 p.m. If you're in Canada, 9 p.m. But if you're in Nigeria, it's gonna be your 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, your 2 a.m. I know it's difficult, but I'm gonna have it saved. I'm gonna have the video saved and I want you to go watch it because I'm sure you're going to like it's a very big topic for me, but I promise I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna talk, I'm gonna share my experience, and I want people to also relate. So I want you to join me on my live. And if you're in Indonesia, because I know I have my Indonesia subscribers as well, Indonesia, it should be, I think you guys are 13 hours, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be your 10 a.m. My Indonesia subscribers, 10 a.m. So please turn on your bell notification and come on live. Don't wait to watch later. Come on live and watch me share my experience, share my story. And see you soon, guys. Thank you for watching. So please kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave your comments, and I'm going to put the link to my Instagram page. So please go follow me on my Instagram page and see me over there. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, so this is my thumbnail for my live video today. So I'll be sharing my cancer journey story. So please go to my channel, click on live, then turn on your post notification, or you click on community or post and turn on your notification. See you. What is it you see?